Hi everyone, here I am again just telling you something very interesting. You claiming yourself to be a C++ programmer? If so, have you just tried something this amazing, right? Okay, let's see that what it is all about. And it's a simple program of just 19 to 20 lines, that's all. So it says, please enter n as odd, so here should be number as odd number starting from 5. Okay, let's see what happens. I just entered 5 over here. Okay, wait, it just draw a 5-pointed star, right? Okay, so let's just try another, which is 7. Okay, let's just finger cross, hope so it makes, oh, it made 7-pointed star. Nice, amazing. Okay, another odd number, let it be, now I'm directly typing 11. So let's just see what it's going to do. Hey, there we got an 11-membered star, right? So this is something really very interesting, and this is the code for there. I'll share the code in the description below. Try it out and just see what amazing thing happens. And one more thing is that for this to work, you need to install the library simplecpp on your Windows, and then only you'll be able to do something very amazing like this. Thank you so much and have a great day.